Let's talk a bit more about covalent bonding because, as you may have experienced in real life, sharing can sometimes be equal and sometimes unequal. And the same is true for bonding, folks. In a covalent bond, we would call the equal sharing of electrons a non-polar bond. And so as I drew out, we could represent this as atom 1 and atom 2 kind of each having an electron existing in this bond. Kind of equally spaced between the two, they're sharing these electrons happily. However, there can also be unequal sharing of electrons. And this is important to understand, folks, because whether electrons are shared equally or unequally plays a large role in how these drugs work that we'll learn about in our bodies. An unequal sharing of electrons would look something like atom 1 kind of hogging the electrons. So if this is the bond that I'm drawing, unequal sharing might look a little bit like this, where the two electrons tend to spend more time with atom 1, but atom 2 still has access to the electrons. And so this is how we can think of bonds. Finally, folks, in the next video, we are going to do a little bit of work drawing bonds and drawing different types of drugs so that we can understand how bonds are visualized.